With Valentine's Day just around the corner, here are my selections for Lakeland's most romantic dinner spots. In my opinion, Scarpas is Lakeland's best Italian restaurant, and their intimate atmosphere make it a great pick for Valentine's Day. Their take on elevated Italian dishes is the perfect pairing for their white tablecloth service. Excellent selection of fresh-made pasta entrees and a large choice of wines is sure to please even the pickiest of foodies. The only caveat is that their seating area is rather small, so I would highly recommend making a reservation now to claim your spot. Now I know 1961 is pretty much a given anytime a top Lakeland restaurant list is made, but for Valentine's, this downtown staple is providing more than just great food. Its location in the heart of downtown make it a perfect dinner spot to enjoy some amazing food and take in some of downtown's amenities. Here's my recommendation. Order the filet, trust me, there will be no regrets. Get the tres leches to go, then take a walk over to Lake Mirror and enjoy your dessert while watching the birds paddle across the water. Now that is a Lakeland Valentine's. Now this last one may be a curveball for some, but it will be a memorable Valentine's dinner for those brave enough to try it. Publix Aprons Cooking School is offering a Valentine's Day wine and dine event. In this guided cooking class, you will make your own 4-course meal and wine samples are included. My wife and I did a cooking class in Mexico for our anniversary, and it was by far our favorite part of the trip. Even if you are not the best cook, the instructors will guide you along to ensure you don't walk away hungry, and if all else fails, you can just grab a pub sub on the way out. So those are my picks for Lakeland's most romantic dinner spots for this Valentine's Day. If you enjoyed this video or want to stay up to date with all things that are happening in Lakeland, please consider subscribing.